Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure data sync with AWS AppSync for mobile. Complete guide step by step clearly. To configure data sync with AWS AppSync for mobile, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AppSync service from the Services menu. Click on the Create API button to initiate a new AppSync API. Choose the option for a build from scratch API. Enter a name for your API in the designated field. Select an authentication type based on your application's needs, such as API Key, Amazon Cognito User Pool, or IAM. Click the Create button to finalize the API setup. Once created, you will be directed to the API dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Schema to define your data types. In the Schema editor, write GraphQL schema definitions for your data, including types, queries, and mutations. After defining the schema, click on Save Schema to store your changes. Next, navigate to the Data Sources section in the sidebar. Click on Create Data Source, then choose a data source type that suits your application, such as Amazon. Configure the data source by entering the necessary details and assigning the correct permissions. Now, link the data source to the schema by defining resolvers. Go back to the Schema tab and select a field that requires a resolver. Click the Attach Resolver button and choose the created data source. In the resolver settings, define the specific operation type, such as query or mutation. Proceed by saving the resolver settings. Next, set up the AppSync SDK in your mobile application. Install the AWS AppSync client library in your mobile project using your package manager. Import the AWS AppSync client into your application code. Initialize the client with the necessary configuration, including your API endpoint and authentication settings. Establish a connection to the AppSync API within your mobile application code. Implement queries and mutations using the client to interact with the AppSync API. To enable real-time data synchronization, create subscriptions in your application. Set up listeners for changes in your data to ensure the mobile app reflects updates. Test the functionality by running your application and verifying data sync in real time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.